Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 15.3 question number 2. Draw a graph for the following. Number 2 is side of a square in centimeter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and area in centimeter square, that is 4, 9, 16, 25 and 36. Is it a linear graph? Let us plot the graph. Here we have taken, here it is OX, that is this is O, the X, this is the X axis, and a Y, a Y, that is the Y axis. This is your y axis. Now to take a scale, we choose a scale like this. Scale is for x axis, for x axis. We take a scale for x axis. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. For y axis, for y axis, 1 unit. For y axis, 1 unit. 1 unit. For y axis, 1 unit is equal to 1 unit is equal to 4 centimeter square. 4 centimeter square. Right? This is for 1 unit y axis. Now side of square in centimeter, that is x axis, that is side of square, side of square, side of square in centimeter, that is the x axis. And here you see, this is the y axis. This is area in centimeter square, area. This is the area in centimeter square, that is the y axis, right? And for plot the points 2, 4, it is 2, it is 4, this point is 2, 4, this point is 2, 4, this point is 2, 4, this point is 2 and 4, next point is 3, 9, this is 3, this is 8. By estimation you can find that this is 9. This point is 3, 9. This point is 3, 9. Next point is 4, 16. This is 4 and this is 16. This point is 4, 16. This point is 4, 16. Next one is 5, 25. This is 5. This is 5. This is 24. You can, by estimation, you can find that this point is 25. This is 5, 25. 5, 25. This is 5, 25. This point is 5, 25. Next one is 6, 36. This is 6 and this point is 36. This is 6 and this point is 36. This point we are getting as 6, 36. 6, 36. Right? If you plot the graph, you will see here the graph will be like this. If we join the origin, that is 0, 0, then we are getting like this. We get this graph. graph, that is A. Origin is taken as A. This point is B. This point is C. This point is D. This point is E. And this point is F. After plotting the graph, where we get the graph like this, right? Here you see the question is it a linear graph? No, it is not a straight line graph, or it is not a linear graph. The answer is no. It is not a linear graph. It is not a linear graph. It is not a linear graph. Right? Dear friends, here we have taken the x-axis as side of a square in centimeter and the y-axis as area in centimeter square. Right? And we plot the graph, and here you see that it is not a linear graph. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.